What's going on, Stocks to Trade viewers? This is TraderBryce. You know what we need? We need one of the intro songs again. You remember the however it went. For a small cap recap, I keep like adjusting myself here. My hair is a little messy there. Welcome back. Happy Monday. I say happy Monday, but not a whole lot of action in the market today. I don't know about you guys. I didn't really see anything that I was in love with by any means. But, you know, there's still some decent trade opportunities out there. Just nothing that really fit my style. I took three trades today. We'll go over all three of them. Cut one for break even, took a small loss on one. And the main one I'm in, the one I actually have a little bit of size on here, I'm actually swinging overnight. It's an OTC, which means I'm about to get dumped on tomorrow morning. I'm kidding, fingers crossed. It's a nice setup though. We'll go over that one in just a moment, as well as some other movers from the day. Before we get too far into it, let me know down in the comments below how you did today, what your favorite stock was. And you know what? Let's just do something. Let's throw this out here. What are your trading goals for October of 2022? Let's try that out. And also, you know the deal. Hit the like button. All right, now we're gonna go on into the charts. So ILAG was probably one of my favorite movers of today, although I didn't really trade it. Definitely interesting daily chart. Looks like a pump and dump. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not really this, I guess. I mean, it's up like 6 green days in a row here. That fake out day there was interesting, and it had a lot of volume today. Definitely something to keep an eye on. ILAG is an interesting mover. Getting a little squeezy, but again, be careful. The daily chart looks like a pump and dump, right? It would not surprise me. We wake up to a massive gap down one day, or we wake up to a drop like this, just straight up death drop. But we shall see, and see we shall. We also had IMUX, not to be confused with IMAX, like the movie theater or whatever. IMUX. Really, really choppy all day. Just another one of those. And actually, I went over this today. Right, guys, here is something you need to always remember, okay? When the daily chart looks like this, there's no reason for this to move. You can be like, oh, wow, the breakout here. Not really. I mean, yeah, you've got less volume in here, but first of all, this has never really moved before, right? Sure, you've had a couple, decent days there and whatnot. Let's see if I can go back farther, if it goes back farther. Okay, here we are. So yeah, we had this movement here once in April of 2019. Like, it was not to crap all over it, but it hasn't done anything really. It's just been a nothingness stock. And once again, right, even on all of this volume right here on this day in June, it still couldn't really do anything. This is a very mid-range daily chart, and the literally played out to a T. It's just a mid-range style thing. It's not moving. It's super manipulated. Work on avoiding daily charts that do not have a very, very clear reason to move, right? Now, we also had APDN today. Not, very interesting. I remember watching this one when it was like up in here. Just moved basically out of nowhere because it had some news come after their largest purchase order to date. So really decent news. The problem is once that halt up happens, I get really wary. Like, what's it going to do? And it actually ended up moving pretty well after this move, which I was a little surprised by, to be quite frank. But decent move, from 170 up to 230. But just really not a ton of range lately, especially today. I would not. This is what a pattern you got going on there, right? It's the reverse funnel. It's just like, well, let's just get bigger both ways. And one of the ways it'll break out, I'm sure that's an actual pattern of some sort. But the range today just really I wasn't a fan of. There was a lot of chop, a lot of fake breakouts, fake breakdowns, and I just didn't really care for it. Let's see here. I personally traded NUTX today. I got in down here at like 64 cents. I ended up selling here at the end of the day at like 65 something. Didn't do what I wanted it to do, but it reminded me a lot of GTII from about a couple days ago, right in here. very, very similar. I was looking for this style of move into the close, just didn't get it. Unfortunately, the risk reward was super minimal, or the very, very minimal risk, I should say. I personally put my stop on 60 cents, but realistically, had it just dumped at the end of the day, I would have cut it 63. I cut at the end of the day because it didn't move. Started walking up, just didn't really do anything after that. And then there was a big bidder here, about 150,000 shares. Someone just sold right into it. So I was like, well, whatever. That bid prop failed. I'm going to watch this for a gap up, though. Daily chart getting really interesting. Getting extremely beaten down now. I mean, literal just, we're coming very close to exhaustion on this. I was really thinking that, with the gap up today, we would have gotten that move, but we didn't. SPY, obviously, we broke back under 360 and then closed over it, but it's just teetering on the edge of death right now. My other trade that I took today and lost on was AMV. I personally just bought this out of the halt at like 22, somewhere around there. We pushed up here, I dip bought, ended up risking 21, so I cut that really quick. Tiny size on this. I was just looking for a third day surge style move. Very, very small size, so very, very small loss. And then the trade I'm currently in overnight is that of MMTLP. And so this is like some like warrant or something or other for MT, I believe, is it? Metamaterials. Nope, not that one. There we go. MMAT. That's what I'm thinking of. I broke it. There you go. Add. Okay. So like basically this is like a special dividend stock that if you bought MMAT, you received shares of MMTLP. It was interesting. I don't know, but the daily chart of MMTLP is why I'm very interested. So this when this came out, it ran from a penny up to like $3. I actually have a friend who bought some MMAT just to get some MMTLP or MMTLP. So I don't know if he's still in or not. I kind of want to ask him, but really gorgeous breakout chart, right? I mean, really nice looking breakout chart there. Broke out over that 320 level, closed above it, closed up near 350, closed at high a day. Really, really easy looking OTC breakout pattern. I'm looking for one more day of a big push after hopefully we can get a gap up tomorrow or something like that. But after, GTII, was that it? I think that was it. GTII? Or is that the one? Yeah. After this GTII momentum, right? I'm definitely a fan of OTCs right now, and it's consolidating nicely. I won't lie to you. GTII could actually turn into a really decent watch over the next few days. Let's go to like a 15-minute real quick. I'll turn these Oracle lines off for you. There you go. We'll turn off after hours, take a quick look at this consolidation. Really, really nice. I mean, I personally thought today was going to break down, but it's holding so far. So we'll see if we get back over 550. Definitely worth keeping an eye on. You know what I mean? It's a nice watch. Got a couple different trend lines here, I suppose. But yeah, this is interesting. If this kept running, it didn't really have a true first red day. I could see this breaking out and trapping a lot of shorts. That first red day, right here, volume was minimal. Now, if we do get a breakdown under like 450, it's probably topples. Then shorts win. And that is the more likely scenario in my opinion. But, we're still consolidating right now. So I think over about $6, this could turn into something. This could turn into a continued run. But I don't know. We'll see. Anyhow, those were my trades today. So I'm in MMTLP overnight looking for that breakout continuation. Hopefully one day of just some really, really nice volume. And, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I think that's really all I've got for today. The market kind of was a bit slow. Some watches for me. AMV, going to keep an eye on. Obviously, MMTLP, NUTX for a gap up. And one I didn't show, but HKD is also getting towards a point of exhaustion, in my opinion, that max pain. So fingers crossed that HKD can offer a really nice first green day in the coming days here, maybe earlier, or maybe this week. So anyways, happy Monday, everybody. Make sure you drop that like. Make sure you drop a comment down below. And anything else? I don't think so. Oh yeah, post notifications, turn those bad boys on. Make sure you're subscribed. Yeah. I slept really well the past few days. I went to bed at like 10 o'clock, 10:30 on Saturday. Woke up, not joking you, like 9:45. Oh my gosh, amazing, amazing. I even got decent sleep last night. I got like 9 hours again, so I am grooving and moving, baby. We love sleep, so rest up if you haven't rested up. And that's all. That's actually all I've got. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you back here tomorrow or Wednesday. We'll see which day. We'll see how I'm feeling. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. TraderBryce out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for being a part of the StocksToTrade family. We just hit 100,000 subscribers, but our goal by the end of this year is to get 150,000 new family members a part of our channel. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and maybe even turn on your post notifications. We cannot do this without your guys' support. So thank you so much. And if you want to see more of what we're doing, again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. We'll see you in the next video.